Alright guys, we got a 2008 Scion XA. If you need to replace the headlight, so this is a good video for you guys. So we got a headlight bulb here, and we got a headlight bulb on this side. So the process is the same for the right and left, and you can reach out on this bulb. Let me put my light up so you guys can see what we're looking at back here. Light on my camera now. So over here, you see the bulb is right there. So very simple. What you want to do is you want to squeeze this tab, and there's a tab on the opposite side. You squeeze it, and this connector will come off just like that. And then you turn this little guy counterclockwise, just like that. Let's see, my camera can focus. And this bulb comes right out. So you never want to touch the filament here, but this bulb size is H11. H11. Sylvania is a good bulb. So grab a new bulb. This is just a demonstration video. What you want to do is you want to take this bulb, new bulb, you want to stick it back in there, and now you want to turn clockwise, and then you grab your connector. You also want to pay attention to your connector. You see the white area right there? If it's melted, that's due to a heat on the temperature of the bulb. You have to replace a pigtail connector. This is not the original connector. So we're going to go on the opposite side here. Hopefully, we got an original connector in here. Okay, we have an aftermarket connector as well. But the original connector, you will have a tab. Okay, this is, again, is not original connector. The original one will have a tab right here. You would have to pull on that tab and take it off. So this is a different bulb and a different connector here. But it all works the same. Tab here. If you got the bulb H11, H11 is 11. Whatever the bulb size you have, that's what you're going to put in. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. That's how you're going to replace the headlight bulb on this Scion XB. So again, this is the XB. I don't know if I said XA. So thank you for watching.